Hello friends, today we are discuss The Monkey's Paw by W. W. Jacobs. The author William Waymark Jacobs, an author of short stories and novels, was born in London in 1863. He was educated at the private school in London and later at Birkbeck College. He made writing his hobby and published much of his works in periodicals. The majority of his work is characterized by a gentle and distinctive humor. Some of his major works include Many Cargoes, The Skipper's Wound, and The Brown Man's Servant, The Lady of the Bark, Captains All, Ship Company, Deep Waters, Sea Whispers. Jacob's literary efforts between the First World War and his death. Monkey's Paw. Monkey's Paw is uh, one of the story or one act play by Jacobs. Author, when he was young, he listened to tales told by sailors. He met at his dockside house where he lived with his father. These were stories about everyday life dispersed by strange and fantastic events. The Monkey's Paw is his most famous tale of suspense and the supernatural. It was first published in 1902 and made into one act play in year later. Okay, and one of the major motives in the story is that a fate, a force that determines the outcome of event before they occur. Okay, the Monkey's Paw is a dramatized version of Jacob's famous Macbeth tale, which first appeared in Harper's Monthly magazine in 1902 and was reprinted in Jacob's third collection of the story, The Lady of the Bark. In the same year, it was dramatized a short story play by Lewis and Parker in 1907. The play is about monkey's paw that has magical powers. It is supposed to grant its owner three wishes. Okay? Grant its owner three wishes. The sergeant major says that a fakir has put a spell on the paw to show that fate rules people's lives. Those who tamper with fate do so their sorrow. The play narrates the suffering and loss caused by the monkey's paw, which serves as a supernatural element in the play. The dramatic irony serves to enhance the atmosphere of the play, the element of mystery and horrors, skillfully interwoven, evocative atmosphere, and the vivid dialogues make the play perennial favorite. The characters of this play is Mr. White, Mrs. White, Herbert, Sergeant Major Morris, and Mr. Sampson. Okay, the ancient Greek and Romans worship fate in the form of the three fates who wove human destiny. Clotho spins the thread of life, Lanthesis, measure of the thread, and Atropos cuts the thread of life. Okay, the foreshadowing writers give clues to the outcomes of the stories they write before the event play out later in the plot, but a single sense of impending calamity that should indeed have served. Okay. Practice your foreshadowing detective skills by paying close attention to the story told by the sergeant major at the outset of the story. Important clues are given well before the conclusion of the story. In this way, the story is the Mr. White, Herbert, Mrs. White, and the Major Sergeant. These are the characters. Mr. White. Okay. Mr. White is the most important character. Okay. The living room of the old fashioned cottage on the outskirts of Fulham. Set corner voice in the left angle. At the back is the deep window. Further front, L 3 or 4 steps and lead up to the door. Okay, and then on the inside the street door and wire letter box. At the rise of the curtain, Mr. White, a pleasant looking old woman, is seated in the armchair below the fire, attending to a kettle which is steaming on the fire and keeping the laughing eye on the Mr. White and Herbert. Both are laughing. And two are seated at the right angle of the table. Those two are seated on the nearest table, near the fire with the cheese board between them. Mr. White is evidently losing. His hair is ruffled, his spectacles are high up on his forehead. Herbert, a fine young fellow, is looking with satisfaction at the move he had just made. Mr. White makes several attempts to move, but thinks better of them. There is a shaded lamp on the table. The door is tightly shut. The curtains of the window are drawn, but every now and then the wind is heard whistling outside. Herbert, Mr. White are both characters are important in this story, and the three wishes of the Mr. White has fulfilled our own wishes. Okay, the monkey's paw has completed their wishes. At the end of the story, there is suspension of the story and supernatural elements of the story is used, and at the end of the story, all are misconveyance of the story. There is including part of the story is clear all the audience. Okay, thank you. In this way, Monkey's Paw is a horror story. Okay, thank you.